Why are you staring at me like that? You following me everywhere I go. Ow.
It's time to go to bed.
Reload.
He doesn't realize that I can put my finger through here.
Cat. Too bad. Lauren is the best.
What you doing? Huh? Well, come here.
Look at me.
Oh, be quiet. She's trying to swim.
I don't think he wants it.